everyone, I am Purnika from Sai Meda Coaching Center Koti, Hyderabad and Space Engineering Academy. So in this video, we are going to see about the job notification of special recruitment drive for SC, ST, OBC, PWBD candidates in various disciplines offered by GAIL India. And now we are going to see the minimum essential experience, which is minimum 1 year experience post-qualification executive in line experience. And the name of the post which we are talking about is the Senior Officer BIS. And its grade is E2 and its pay scale is from 60,000 to 1,80,000. Next, the essential qualification, that is bachelor degree in engineering in computer science or information technology. Next, in chemical or mechanical engineering. Next, in production and industrial, manufacturing, mechanical and automobile. Next, in electrical engineering. And next, in electronics and power engineering. And next, we can see about the engineering in instrumentation. Next, it is engineering in electronics or electronics and communication or electronics and telecommunication. Next is bachelor degree in engineering in fire or fire and safety. Next, it is in chemical or mechanical or production or electrical or instrumentation or information technology or computer science, electronics, metallurgy, civil or telecommunication department. And next, it is in civil engineering. And all these categories, all these education qualifications should have a minimum percentage of 60 marks. Bachelor degree does not only mean that it is only engineering degree. It can also be BE degree, BTech degree or a dual degree which is BE plus MA, BE plus ME or BTech plus MTech. Next, the maximum upper age of the applicants should not exceed 56 years, including all possible age relaxations. Next, now we are going to see about this pay scale. Okay, so grade, if it is E5, then the pay scale is from 90,000 to 2,40,000. Next, if it is E2 grade, which we just now talked about, it is 60,000 to 1,80,000, and E1, which is 50,000 to 1,60,000. Next, the basic pay, the initial basic pay is for E2, which we already spoke about, is 60,000. Next, we are going to see about the application fee because we have to apply. So the application fee which is need to be paid, and it is non-refundable application, is 200 rupees, excluding applicable convenience fee. But for SC, ST and PWB candidates, the candidates are exempted from paying of application fee. Next, the candidates will be required to apply online through GAIL website, which has already opened on 24th November from 1100 hours and it closes on 23rd December 1800 hours, which is 6 p.m. Next, we are going to see the selection process. So the selection process is, if you directly apply in the GAIL, if there are a lot of applications, what they do, GAIL will adopt shortlisting criteria to restrict the number of candidates to be called for further selection process to a reasonable number by suitably raising the minimum eligibility standard. For more information of such job content, please subscribe our channel. This PDF is posted in our Telegram channel. For more such videos, please subscribe our channel and do like our video. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.